What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm giving you this glam slash rocker, I guess, type of makeup. If you want to see how I got this makeup, let's keep a watch. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go in with my Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe, and I'm gonna go ahead and start with this color right here. It's kind of like a burnt brown. I'm just going to get well, I'm gonna use my double-sided brush from NYX. I'm just gonna go ahead and use that because I wanna. You're just gonna blend it into your eye like so. Now I'm going to go in with this darker shade right here. Now I'm going to mix this kind of dark red with this black right here. So since I am being a little bit bold, I'm going to use the other side of my brush because WWJD. And that's it. No, I'm kidding. And now you're gonna blend it out. I have nothing on the brush right now, so I'm just gonna use what I already put, and I'm just gonna blend that out. I'm going to use the Blood Sugar palette. I'm gonna use this one right here. I'm not even gonna pronounce it because I'll probably say it wrong. And I'm just going to use the flat end of it, just a little bit because it is very pigmented. And I'm gonna put it right here. Just follow what I'm doing. Just follow. Are you following? No, you ain't. I'm watching you. You know what? Just put it on your whole lid. How about that? Ta-da! We're going to use Smoldering Satin by Stilla. And how do we do this? We're gonna get this thing right here. We're gonna get this brush right here. We're gonna do this. Oh, yeah. And then we're gonna add some. Use the NYX Glam liner, and this is, if I'm not mistaken, this is champagne something, but it doesn't say it on this, so it looks like this. You tell the lady at NYX that it looks like this. So now we are going to do a little something under our eye, so we don't look like a bad bee on the top and an innocent flower in the bottom. We're gonna get the black from the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm just gonna put it under. I'm going to do the rest of my face. So I'm going to use the Born to Glow from, surprise, surprise, NYX. Just gonna put just a little bit. Just gonna work it in there. So we have sleek face. I'm gonna be using the Sephora HD Photogenic from NYX, the concealer. And with this little cute little spoon. So cute. We're gonna blend the concealer. use the NYX No Filter. I'm gonna use my contour kit. So I use all these here. If you've seen my previous videos, this is like my basic contour routine. So as you guys know, I like to wet my brush with setting spray. My aim is horrible. And which one will I use? All of them. Now that I got my lashes on, I'm gonna go ahead with the Kylie Ironic Lip Matte.